Beverly papa from cancer. Ninia for cancer. Eti Beverly onye ni na no ye careful about it. Now mami ka bibin show. Cancer is not hereditary. It means enya de na mojem. Edi na papa ni nya bi na sabe ninia so nya bi na Beverly afaglo so after all the careful stuff. Asabe no call hospital or check it. Yes, you no kwa de ohun early. Ohun ye no so antran to so doctors going oh ebe na fe okwa spiritual side ne baako na masa anye yi ye was spirituality bi wa onu ohu ba ontime nya nanso ye was spirituality bi a wono ohu ya ebusua bi a wo ade bi a edi omunya na saade no estarte a etimi ba bedu ba bi a ebedu wo a wo hwe me so se wo a wo hwe me no wantimi an stop it ana nyame amoa no an stop ya ebetra so na akọ umma so. Hello, baby. I hope you have any check. I see you higher Xposed GHFM Ben Bros. Now, saying last week, Oyenepa Neto Ghana, yeah, you know, the movie industry. One of the strong pillars in the movie industry, Beverly Afoglo, Wakanchinego. Now, after months, no, in semi Briaba, unim Beverly, or yeah, the wife of Honeho. Or in area I said on my wife for so many years on my wife and one of the power marriages I've ever seen because they are both celebrities and they were making it so beautiful. But the aftermath yet it is MB. Asamba come tears striking from the body and say Beverly died from cancer. Na cancer no na onim di dada. Or say or ye na famu dear spiritual and physical. Na na person do right spiritual
because they say cancer it be say cancer
when they bushi cancer they call papa cancer they call the big sisters they be on no check he say e bia when ye bia no near binti na they be all check but ohun earlier but nyame
ohun earlier
but
so check it
so check na e bi ni no check so what check the last time you say when yanti yes processing. So now there was a the also a physical human spiritual but then I make the nyame pen there's nothing we can do.
I said near who no Beverly papa from cancer. Ninia for cancer. Eti Beverly onye ni na no ye careful about it. Now mami ka bibin show. Cancer is not hereditary. It means enya de na mojem. Obi betimi aka say me nananam no more pressure into there's likelihood say pressure will come. Diabetes etimi running and other sickness. But cancer is not cancerous and ya dia sabe your friend is say etimi sai obi. And that's what because ewo mojem. Of course I'm not a doctor, but I've never heard that. Etimi say edin na papa ni nya bi na sabe ni nua so nya bi na Beverly afaglo so after all the careful stuff. Asabe no call hospital or check it. Yes, you no kwa de ohun early. Ohun ye no so antran to so doctors going oh ebe na fe okwa spiritual side ne baako na masa anye yi. Hwe wo a wo hwe me. Spirituality na ba ye wo mo spiritual. Ye wo spirituality bi wa onu ohu ba ontime nya. Nanso ye was spirituality bi a wono ohu ye. Enti am say baye no ba bi a afagwe o say wono no why fine girl. Enti am say asofo no nim ni nyina ye omo to nwom a na ne slow I cast anya no bia. Some person who tu ade ase a ye de anuode Bible no say the violence taken by force. Enti cancer no anya ade a na say na mojem. Be na mojem. Ewiase ma meka bibincho wo a wotie mi ene ebusua bia wo ade bia edi omunya na saade no estarte a etimi ba bedu ba bia ebedu wo a wo hwe me so se wo a wo hwe me no wantimi an stop it ana nyame amoa no an stop ya ebetra so na akọ umma so ni America kire ne say who says the way a transcending the papa echo ni sister echo no aso no Beverly had every chance to stop it. Baby said baby of fire no one family of I'm one can stop it. nyame pa chacho ni nyina ne se ewiase awei entra ho na sabe yare kwase bi nku o tira na yare kwase ku a na wa na wo ye because eniama ne bi won ma ese wo sorry ntam nyame pa cha ne se ade bi wo ho ma ye di sunsum na eyi fi ho o ti nyame kan ye ade bi wo ho ma who say this is not natural because ade we enye se yesa ade na yesa saade ne yentra ho enkoka se me kobo park so yede akwankyere na yi afi ho ai eno no dani bibi na bibi adani bibi na yi ade na afi ho na de akoto ba bi foforo eno yi fi obi so na de akobi so o ti ase enti me yi fi so na de akobi so ena me pa kyere enti benis de enu ba bi na sa ankotimi nyi obi na nko be yi afi ho no de akoba bi foforo wanya na wo hwe wo bapa wo gina ho a yese cancer edidi na ewiase na we na ena so ma me ko ye friends medical side kakra mo amopa chinchinga no ena ma ya toto no yese mo ye prone to cancer mo amoyi chinchinga pa eye chinchinga pa ene emoase a ahye ni obi wo ho ko gina wache ho a mepe wache ase no ni ahye no obenya cancer ai unim ntia me pani ase no ko gira kwabnani bema pu wa ko gira to wache nko ahye nko 20 series wajimi ada oyam no zeda na ho ubenya cancer e man so edemo ko gira kibab wa na mo point no na me pewe aha me pani anwen ne se no oso benya cancer chemicals bi a ye use especially ye we trim ye use on our bodies and also my cancer. Ye fear cry ye spray and also my cancer. Ya rebi wo ho no ma eye wa ese wo hwa no ntem. Ye memme ye se ye ndi ade ye so ye se ye ndi. Obema wo ntandi no nya prostate. Now prostate no nya wi edane cancerous na prostate cancer. Oti ase me pa je se wo sperm no etai wo we ni ma cha cancerous. And one wim afrobosen wenya prostate cancer. Yawo colon cancer. Muso amode manu bomb bebre amu wi amu hwehwe mo se a mu yusu ma afọ menya throat cancer. Enti niam ne bi wo hon ma there is cause and effect. Baby so her spiritual. Beverly dey say I can stand on authority and say very spiritual. Na say abusua no especially ne kunu no okọ etire no okọ hwehwemu. No, who said baby eduno ne makra omo no they are also at risk. Oni baby abana be hume me do be ko baby. Ya be yi ama. Enye sa no di agro. Agro be di ne ma no. Because ne ku maame na ku de likely se be ku ma. Se wo nsom no ahwe yi a ye nyina ye hwe ahu yi. Aha expose GHFM Beverly. Subscribe, share me to my announce akabi manuasi.